All right, everyone, here we are with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To all the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all the subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video and to stay tuned on in towards the second half of the video, guys. Right after this chart analysis, I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys, as well as the opportunities that were found this morning and I shared with the members over at the Discord. I managed to find 3 home run opportunities giving 20% plus possibilities on the day, and if that's something you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses. So here we are with CLOV, Clover Health Investments, CLOV stock, pulling back downwards after having a decent upward trend and getting really close to tug-of-war zone. Okay, this is very important right now for the bulls to watch, because the bears are about to dominate if they cross the 50-day moving average and the support levels I am about to discuss. So the stock is currently sitting at $13.91 as I speak, and the first support level I would watch is $13.52, being the lowest point of the day, which is slightly below the 50-day moving average of $13.57. I do want every single investor and viewer to be aware of that. $13.57 is the 50-day moving average. When we're above it, we're in bullish territory. When we're below it, we're in bearish territory. Our first support is slightly below it at $13.52. And if both of them get crossed and the bears are tearing this one down fairly quickly, I will watch how it reacts between $13.52 and the yesterday's lowest point of $13.13, guys. That is very important to watch and see if the bulls try to reappear and get out of bearish territory, or if the bears are taking this into tug-of-war zone and pulling it downwards to newer lows. Now, the first resistance level that the bulls need to break through is the highest point in this sideways action, and that's $14.16, to start pulling away from the 50-day moving average, turn it into a support to reach newer highs. But the highest point before the dip is the most significant resistance level right now, $15.07, for this to reach newer highs, new resistance levels, and continue this momentum and rally to the upside. If you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post, share this with a friend so they can receive the insight as well, and all I ask for is 3 to 5 more minutes of your time. I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys that you won't want to miss, that we actually discussed over at the Patreon this week, pulled down to its most recent lows and has jumped up 20% plus on the week so far in just 2 days, as well as the 3 home run opportunities that I mentioned this morning of opportunities over at the Discord. And if that's something you want to become part of, and you want to know what stocks I watch daily and weekly, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description, and we look forward to having you join us. So the ticker symbol I have to share with you guys today is one that I mentioned over at the Patreon this weekend, and it actually pulled back to its most recent lows, and since those lows, it's jumped up 20% plus this week alone. Now, before we look at the chart, it seems to be in a possibility of consolidating or a slight healthy pullback. So before we look at everything, I want to share with you guys the ticker symbols I mentioned this morning over at the Discord, shared it with the members, and if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together to maximize profits and minimize losses. Now, here we are with ARAV. This was the first one mentioned. We caught it at 690. This one pulled back and gave small spikes of 3 to 5%. PIRS, we caught it at 362. This gave a home run opportunity. GTT, caught it at 297. This gave a home run opportunity after dipping to the 260s and jumping back up to $3 plus, giving a 20% plus opportunity. And MRIN caught this one at 301, giving us a home run opportunity as well, really early on in the trading day. So let's go ahead and look at these 2 stocks that gave us home runs. and GTT was the only one that took the longest because it actually had a big pullback for a few hours and spiked back up the few hours later of the trading day, giving a 20% plus opportunity. So MRIN, mentioned it at 301, pulled back down and spiked up, giving a highest point of 20% plus, guys. That was phenomenal. Happened in just 15 minutes of the trading day after the bell. Now, our other home run was PIRS. Caught this one at 362. We caught it at the lowest point in the pre-market pullback and the lowest point of the day. This was a very subtle upward trend, but it kept pushing. It did not stop, giving a highest point of 25% plus on the day. Phenomenal results. Now, the ticker symbol I'm about to share with you guys is VIPS, but before we look at it, I want to show you guys GTT's performance, how it pulled back the first few hours of the day, hit the 260s, and has jumped up close to the 320s, giving a 20% plus opportunity as well. We found 3 home run opportunities today. Phenomenal for a Thursday. So the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list is VIPS. And this is a stock I mentioned this weekend, and I talked about it, gave a little overview. So you can also receive access to my weekly watch list by joining the Discord. And this is where the stock was at. It was at the $18 mark, almost 19. And this is what analysis ratings are saying, right? The lowest one is $24. So there's a 5 buy rating, 2 hold, and 0 sell. And when I look at it, I mean, the opportunity is there. And the charts were showing opportunity to begin with. And it had pulled back from that level of $18 and some change all the way down to $17 on the 21st. It consolidated within the $17 range, having small spikes back and forth. And it took off starting yesterday, right, Wednesday, to highs here of $18 and some change. Pulled back down to the 17s and has taken off today to 1970s. Giving a highest point of 1979. Now, this stock currently, the way I'm looking at it, it has given 20% plus on the week so far. When you zoom out, there's a lot of potential here. Analysis ratings are pointing this one upside. But one of the things I'm looking for right now is either a healthy pullback before the next run, right? Before the next catalyst, because of this big run that already happened, or consolidation showing strength to build up for the next catalyst to take this to newer levels, newer highs, and new resistance levels. Because this was consolidation here, small consolidation here after a pullback, and it ran. So what I'm looking for is consolidation of strength again, or a healthy pullback because of a big run that just happened before it takes off again to newer highs and new resistance levels. So analysis ratings are pointing this one to the upside. This stock seems to have hit a bottom at $17 for now. We have to see if it continues to be the bottom or retest it or breaks through it in the near future. But right now, this stock is performing with strength, and it's definitely one to have on your watch list, regardless of what happens if consolidation or slight pullback happens in a healthy manner, making the opportunities even bigger. Any of the stocks that I mentioned are not financial advice. I'm not here to tell you to buy, sell, or hold any positions on any of the stocks I talk about. I'm just here to align you guys on the opportunities I'm watching and why I'm watching them. If you want to receive live updates of my weekly watch list and daily watch list, the link is down below to the Discord, and we look forward to having you join us. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.